Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I want to show you how to fix cartridge error, how to resolve cartridge error in a Canon printer. I'm using this Canon 7240, Pixma 7240. When dealing with this type of error, this cartridge error, you have to have in mind that it might come from the cartridge itself or it might come from the printer. If it's from the cartridge, there are two things that can cause it. The cartridge might have a permanent damage, or there's a stain on the sensor, an ink stain. So you have to know what's really causing the problem. If the problem is from the cartridge, maybe due to stain, you can clean it with water or spirit. Make sure it's dried before you return it. This is how you know. You test it on another working printer, or like this printer I'm working on, the yellow is faulty. The yellow cartridge is faulty. So what you do, you remove the cartridge and test it in another slot. Once it blinks, you know the fault is not from the cartridge. But if it doesn't blink, you know that it is from the printer. So that's how you differentiate between the two types of error. Once you have been able to identify the problem, in this case we have identified that it is the fault is coming from the printer. What you do is to work on the part where the fault is coming from, and that's what we'll be doing next. Pay close attention so that I'll be able to get what I'm trying to do, because this is a very technical procedure. So this is what we're going to replace. When you open the cover, you have to make sure that the power is on. You open the cover. This seat, this is the printer head seat. This is the printer head. You can check out my other tutorials to see how to remove this print head. I have a tutorial on it. So when this holder comes to the middle, you can unplug the printer for safety purpose. You can remove the power. Then you are going to use two things like this. You push this one in, then you lift this thing up while still pushing this other side. It is the force that will remove it. You see? This is what we are replacing. You can see, if you look at it closely, you see that this thing is not straight.
And one is broken.
It's broken.
All bent.
You see, it's not straight. It's broken. This is the replacement. You can see the difference. I'm recording this video from Nigeria.
The replacement part.
Lagos, Nigeria. If you need a replacement part, you can contact me. Check the comment section. You will see my email and my phone number there, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp or give me a direct phone call, or just send me an email. I'll reply. I can get back to you. Okay. I can send it to anywhere within Nigeria.
Can they use another as another color to that yellow?
Yeah.
Will it work?
Okay.
You did not say.
Yes. Another thing you should note: if you have a spare printer, you can replace this head. If, let's say, like this printer now, the fault is coming from the yellow side, you can remove this thing from any other part. It doesn't matter if it's yellow or black or whatever. You can remove it and put it there. It will still work. So it's not, this thing is not color coded. You can remove the chip here and put it here. It will still work. So let's replace this, the replacement.
Which film was
it? Position your replacement part where you want to put it. Carefully position it. Once you have positioned it, you slide it backward. You will feel it to snap in. Yeah,
you feel it when you snap in. And be careful the way you lift the head so that you don't break that holder.
So you have to clean it. If you have spirit, you can use it to clean it, or if you have water, you can even wash it very well and dry it. Make sure it's well dried before you now test it. But the best way, before you now insert it, the best way to do it is if you have another working printer, you can test it on that printer. That's how you're going to be very sure that the fault is not coming from the cartridge. So let's see what happens. So the printer is working now, but it's showing that the ink tank is not filled or something. So what happens is maybe the ink is low. If you are using a refill tank, it will be showing sometimes. It might be showing this thing. So what you do is just read the instruction. What it's trying to say is that you should press this yellow light. You press it for 5 seconds. Once this white light blinks, you release this one. See? That's what you do until the printer is stable and ready to print. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe, even those that don't have anything to do with printer. Tell them to subscribe. I really need it. This will encourage me to do more videos. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Remember to check my other tutorials on Canon. If you want to use your Canon to the optimum, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you watch other videos so that you use this Canon and enjoy it very well.